In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Revolut business app on your Android smartphone. So if you're experiencing any challenge with this app, maybe it keeps on crashing or it can't open, then let me show you how you can solve this for once and for all. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access your app information, and you can easily do that through the settings. And from settings, scroll down until you get to apps. And from here, tap on manage apps. Now this will go on and open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Then scroll down and look for your Revolut business app. And here is our app. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Now here we are on the app info page that you wanted to access. Alternatively, you can go to your app and then long press on it and you'll see app information. If you click on it, it will still take us to the app information page. Now from here, we want to clear data for this app. If you go to storage, you see that there's a lot of cache data on your app, and this cache data might be the reason why your app is malfunctioning. So to clear this cache data, all you need to do is to tap on clear data here and then select the clear cache option. Go ahead and clear it and then tap on OK. Now from here, you can see the cache data is 0. Now usually cache are small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it to enhance the app performance. However, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So once you have cleared this, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open it afresh, and it should solve all the problems that you are experiencing. But should this not solve your problem, then go and access the app through the Play Store and then look for the app. And here's our app. Tap on it to open. Then look for any update if it is available. You will see it here. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using the outdated version, and all you need to do is to update to the latest version. So if you have the update here, go ahead and update it and then try opening your app. At this moment, everything should be okay, but should you still experience the challenge, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall the app and install it afresh. Then you'll be required to log in afresh, and the app will be running now smoothly. But at this stage, if you experience any challenge, then you might want to go ahead, then contact Revolut and find out if they have a challenge or a problem from their end. By using any of these methods, you should be able to solve or to troubleshoot your Revolut business app. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.